Kia ora tātou, ko star tēnei. So this is a video tutorial on how to use this part of the page. This is for the Te Reo intermediate class Ruru. And so this tutorial will show you how to work your follows page that you guys will go to on the internet in the Te Reo classes. So over here, click on this link, and obviously you've made it to this point if you've got to this tutorial, because it'll be sitting around about here somewhere. So I'm just going to quickly take you through again on how to get through this. I've already done one for the Tākehē class, but this is the Ruru. So the workbooks over here, you click in the workbooks, and then so here's your workbook 1, workbook 2, the Himene book, Karakia book, and the Mihi book. So you can download yourselves a copy of any of these books. So you're on workbook 2 at the moment, and then it'll download to the left hand side of the screen here. So what you do is you click on that, and it'll open it up in the web for you, and then you're able to view it there. And so this is a PDF copy that will automatically load if you're on your computer. If you're not on your computer and you're on your phone, you'll probably have to download a PDF reader to read it on your phones. And so you just scroll down the left bar, or the bar on the right here, to go through the pages if you want a digital copy, and then you just on your phone swipe up. Okay, and so we'll close that down, and so you can download yourselves any digital copy of these books. Now, to get back into your main page for your class, you simply just click on this link here again. So we'll click Te Reo intermediate class, and then we'll have a look at the audio. Now at the moment there's no audio here, but there will be audio at some stage. And so what we'll do is we're going to take a look at the Tākehē beginners class audio, just so when there is audio in there, you guys can see how it runs. So it'll look something like this. You'll have an index page over here for the different pages in the workbooks. This is the first part of the workbook 1 for the beginners class, and so you simply just click on that, and it'll play it for you. I'm not sure if you can hear it through my microphone, but that's how you play it. It'll play on your computer if you've got sound on your computer or your devices. So it's to simply download it for offline listening. You just hit the download link, and it will download it to your computer here, and you simply open it up, and you can view that, listen to that at any time on your phones or your computers and stuff like that. And so it'll play it on there as well. So I'll close that up. Now if you're trying to look for where those are, usually on your computer you hit this icon here. If not, you go to your My Documents, and on the sidebar there should be a sidebar down here, and you go to the Downloads folder, and it usually drops all your stuff into the download folder there, and so you can access that from your computer. That's how you find it. And so I'll close that down. And so these for Tākehē line up with the pages in their workbooks. For the Ruru class it might be a bit different, but it'll be pretty similar. And so you simply just scroll down, same again, you just play an audio, download an audio, go up and we'll download it down there so you can listen to it offline. Okay, so we'll go back into the Te Reo intermediate class, and there's no audio there, that's why I borrowed Tākehē's folder. And so for the homework, you click into your homework folder, and this is the homework for the class, which was actually from last week, but it's coming up for the next class for this week. So the homework will be in there. Yeah, and so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for that tutorial. And just click back into the Ruru class, and there will be the tutorial will sit in here somewhere that you can click on and watch. Okay, kia ora tātou katoa.